हेलो स्टूडेंट। आज के हम वीडियो लेक्चर में हम देखेंगे कि जो स्टूडेंट 12th 11th एंड 12th साइंस स्ट्रीम से पास करते हैं और वो साइंस स्ट्रीम में पीसीबी लेते हैं, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी, तो आगे जाके उनका फ्यूचर करियर ऑप्शन क्या रहता है, वो किस किस टॉपिक से अपना करियर चूज कर सकते हैं, उसके बारे में देखेंगे। तो हम देखते हैं कि उनका करियर ऑप्शन आइदर डॉक्टर, फार्मासिस्ट, फिजियोथेरापिस्ट, पैरामेडिकल्स, प्रोफेसर्स, लॉ एक्सेट्रा हैं। तो हम देखते हैं कि आज क्या क्या है विथआउट मैथ, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी लेके उनका करियर ऑप्शन। हाउ टू पास द 12th स्टैंडर्ड विथ साइंस स्ट्रीम, how are interested in pushing a good science course without mathematics subject. If yes, this video will be help to you. Here I would like to list down some of the best course after 12th science without maths subject. Science stream is a very popular choice among Indian students. Science stream can be broadly classified into the different groups, that is the mathematics groups, that is PCM, physics chemistry math, biology groups PCB, physics chemistry biology, and also exist थर्ड नंबर ग्रुप्स लाइक PCMB, जो कि इसमें बोथ मैथ एंड बायोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट ले सकते हैं, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ एंड बायोलॉजी। तो लिस्ट ऑफ द कोर्सेज विथआउट द मैथ, तो हम लोग जो पीसीबी ले रहे हैं तो उसमें कौन कौन से लिस्ट आते हैं जो कि हम लोग आगे जाके करियर ऑप्शन चूज सकते हैं, कोर्स ऑफ स्टडी चूज कर सकते हैं। तो फर्स्ट वन इज़ द बी फार्म स्टैंड फॉर बैचलर ऑफ फार्मेसी। इट इज अंडर ग्रेजुएटेड लेवल बैचलर डिग्री कोर्सेज, ड्यूरेशन इज 4 year अंडर without internship. Next, Form D stands for Doctor of Pharmacy. It is doctoral level program related to the pharmacy. Pharmacy Council of India introduced the 6 years Form D courses in India from the academic year 2018. Duration 6 year long, including internship. Next one is the BDS. BDS stands for Bachelor of Dental Surgery. BDS is one of the most popular and designated degree of dentist doctors. After completing your BDS, you are qualified to practice as a dentist. Duration 5 year, including internship. तो इसका इंटर्नशिप को लेके इसका ईयर ऑफ कोर्स 5 year में कंप्लीट होता है। नेक्स्ट वन इज द MBBS, is a most popular choice among the PCB group of student in India. Duration is 5.5 year, यानी कि 5.5 साल, along including 5.5 साल और 5.5 year long, including internships. BAMS means BAMS stand for Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. This course deals with the study of Ayurvedic systems of medicine. Duration 5.5 year, including internship. BOMS means Unani. The BOMS stands for Bachelors of Unani Medicine and Surgery. Unani systems of medicine is a different from the regular medicated like allopathy. Unani is an ancient medical system which is involved in the treatment of a patient to help enhancing the body natural healing systems by using Unani medicine. Unani medicine system focus on adding the body's natural healing power to reduce these systems. Those brings relief to the patient and curing him or her in the process. These alternative systems of medicine has in-depth potential in treating of disease and disorder. Duration 5.5 year, including internship. Next one is the BASLAP. BASLAP means BASLAP stands for Bachelor of Audiology Speech Language Pathology. This course involves the technique and method used in diagnosis and treating hearing, speech, and balance related disorders in peoples. Duration 5 years including intensive. BOT stands for Bachelor of Occupational Therapy. It is a job oriented course. This occupational therapy is the science of prevent, cure, and rehabilitation of the physically, emotionally, mentally, and neurological disabled and challenged people. Duration 4.5 years, including internship. नेक्स्ट BPT स्टैंड फॉर बैचलर ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपी, जो कि आज के ज़माने में और आज के दौर पे बहुत ज़्यादा पेशेंट को फिजियोथेरेपी ट्रीटमेंट ज़रूरत पड़ रही है। दुनिया में लगभग 70 से 80% ऐसे पेशेंट हैं जिनको फिजियोथेरेपी की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। फिजियोथेरेपी इज ए साइंस दैट्स हेल्प इम्प्रूव मूवमेंट डिसफंक्शन and promote the functions of the human body and optimal health. This involves the assessment, diagnosis, and treatment of disease and disability through physical means. Physiotherapy is the branches of healthcare that applies modes of physics movement such as exercise, massage, besides education, advice, and counseling service to circumstances where movements and functions are threatened by aging, pain, injury, disease, disorder, conditions, or disorder conditions or disorder condition or other environmental factor. Duration the 4.5 year along intensive. Next one is the BNYS. BNYS stands for Bachelor of Neuropathy and Yogi Science. In these fields, the integrative medicines that cover the study of both traditional neuropathy medicines and modern medicines. Duration 5.5 years along intensive. Next one is the BVSCAH. Stands for Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry. मीन्स जो हमारे एनिमल लोगों का ट्रीटमेंट होता है, एनिमल लोगों के लिए जो डॉक्टर होते हैं उनके डिजीज के लिए ये कोर्स है। Veterinary science deals with the diagnosis, treatment, and curing of disease in birds and animals. BVSC and AH syllabus including training in exotic animal care, disease identification, nutrition, and animal husbandry. Duration 5 years including intensive. Next one is the BSc course, stands for Bachelor of Science. It is a undergraduate level bachelor's degree courses where some popular BSc program which is course with a main subject. BSc Biochemistry, BSc Biology, BSc Physics, BSc Chemistry, BSc Environmental Science, BSc Biotechnology, BSc Nursing, BSc Occupational Therapy, BSc Physiotherapy, BSc Radiology, BSc Bioinformatics, BSc Anthropology, BSc Microbiology, BSc Zoology, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Agriculture, BSc Pathology, BSc Speech Therapy, BSc Horticulture, BSc Genetics, BSc Health Science and Nutrition, BSc Sports Science, BSc Audiology, BSc Botany, BSc Operational Theatre Technology, BSc Anesthesia and Occupational Theatre Technology. Next one is the paramedical courses, where the some of the popular paramedical program which are the courses after 12 science without main. BSc Operation Treat Art Technology, BSc Anesthesia and Operation Treat Technology, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, etc. They are the paramedical courses. BHM stand for Bachelor of Hotel Management, जो कि बहुत सारे करने के लिए इनका इंटरेस्ट होता है होटल मैनेजमेंट के कोर्स. तो इट इज जॉब ओरिएंटेड कोर्स. स्टूडेंट हु हैव पास 12th स्टैंडर्ड एनी स्ट्रीम्स आर एलिजिबल टू परस्यू दिस कोर्स. ड्यूरेशन इज 3 years. वो कोई भी स्ट्रीम लें, आइदर PCM, PCB, PCMB, तो जो भी स्ट्रीम लेंगे ये कोर्स उस कोई भी कोर्स स्ट्रीम के साथ करने के लिए परस्यू कर सकते हैं, आगे जा सकते हैं, कर सकते हैं. और इसका ड्यूरेशन भी बहुत कम है, 3 years ही ओनली है. BA आफ्टर 12th साइंस यू आर एलिजिबल टू परस्यू BA प्रोग्राम, मैनी ऑफ विच आर कोर्सेज विदाउट मैथ्स. सॉरी, यहाँ पे थोड़ा मिस्टेक है. Some such programs are BA Languages, BA in Travel and Tourism, BA in Hospitality Management, BA in Travel and Tourism Management. BBA stands for Bachelor of Business Administration. It is a job-oriented and management courses. Students who have passed 12th standard are eligible to pursue this course. Then BMS. BMS stands for Bachelor of Management Study. It is a job-oriented management program. Students who have passed 12th standard are eligible to pursue this course. It is a undergraduate level bachelor degree courses. The academic program in 3 years long. After completing BMS, one may pursue master degree programs such as MBA, MMS, PG, diploma program, etc. Law courses, they are the some popular law program which are the course after 12th science without math. BBA LLB integrated course, BSc LLB integrated course, BA LLB integrated course, BCom LLB integrated course. They are the duration in always difference. Then teacher learning program, where the some of the popular teacher training program which are the course after 12th science without math. BLED, Bachelor of Elementary Education, 4-year long courses, diploma in elementary education. They are the one courses. Second one is the BPED, Bachelor of Physical Education or Primary Teacher Training Program, can follow by the with B.Ed. ओनली यदि B.Ed करेंगे तो प्राइमरी टीचर प्रोग्राम में जाता है. उसके बाद डिप्लोमा मैनेजमेंट. सोम डिप्लोमा मैनेजमेंट है जो कि जॉब ओरिएंटेड डिप्लोमा कोर्सेस है. टेक्निकली इट इज़ मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम, but it is not as detailed or as valued as bachelor degree program like BBA and BMS. Students who have first 12th standard in any stream are eligible to pursue this course. Science, it is a diploma course. Since it is a diploma course, the course content is not as detailed as degree program. BSW stand for Bachelor of Social Works. तो कुछ ऐसे भी रहते हैं स्टूडेंट्स जो कि सोशल वर्क करने में इंटरेस्ट रहते हैं, तो उनके लिए ये है. इट इज़ ए अंडर ग्रेजुएटेड लेवल बैचलर डिग्री कोर्सेज. दिस एकेडमिक प्रोग्राम डील्स विद द सोशल वर्क. स्टूडेंट हु हैव पास 12th स्टैंडर्ड आर एलिजिबल टू परस्यू दिस कोर्स. ड्यूरेशन ओनली 3 years. थैंक यू. एनी क्वेरीज दे विल comment to the comment box.